Okay, record is dead. Holy shit, you can hide under there. Look, they measured that. Window gone. That stayed. That didn't. How did this stay? Look at that piece back there. Yeah,
look, it's still flooded out. You can't even drive down here. I would drive all the way down there.
Not flooded.
Look!
Oh my god. Look.
Look at the fucking beaches on their fucking house. Like, really?
Look at this.
It's not safe. This is not safe.
You're gonna get flat. Oh, you're gonna be stuck here.
Yeah, I don't feel safe driving back now.
So don't.
Definitely not feeling safe.
Or you're gonna get stuck in all that.
No, it's a street. I just don't feel safe if the street, like, sinks.
That's already fun. Now we're going backwards. 222. 226. Ooh.
Look at all the strollers, the fucking cars. I mean, really?
Look at that car. It looks like it's been in a car accident. That house. There's a red sign. That one was red sign. This one's yellow. This is restricted.
Yeah, it's unsafe.
That is crazy. This is safe if you stay in the front. How block was that? Can't even tell.
Fox Beach, this area. This is fucking Fox Beach.
Everybody sits up there.
Look at all these houses. They're brand new fucking houses.
The garages are destroyed. Now we're gonna try to go down another block. At first, this inside of their house. That's it. So bad. People looking at me recording. Look. Oh my god, that looks like a boat. I don't know if y'all people can see it, but there's a boat in there. Look at it. Look over there. Oh my god, every tree on there. Look! A house! We found their house. I don't think that house was there. I don't think that car was there. Look.
The house is missing. See the foundation?
Yeah, I think that was that house. Oh, how smooth. About like 200 feet. Ooh, look at this. Where you going? Huh?
I said let these cars go. I gotta get out of here. We gotta go.
Can we go see that tree right there? Tree.
I know. I'm going down a little bit and then we gotta go. I gotta get to Duncan Hills.
Tree. That's a big thing. Oh my god. That got destroyed.
Look at this house.
They lost their staircase. The house is all boarded up. Boarded up. I think they're missing a house or a fence. I'm guessing a fence. There's a fence. They dead us, but somebody's cell phone number on there. What?
This is the whole bottom of their fucking house.
Bottom of the house.
That's definitely unsafe.
It's red. Rocky
It's red.
Balboa.
Unsafe area. The whole bottom of their fucking structure is gone. Ooh, look at all these bungalows.
That's the block we want to go down. Look at these. They're destroyed. Oh my god. Look at that. Totally came down. Beware of dogs. Do you think the dog's still there? There's a fence coming down. Oh god. Lost cats.
You never thought that these houses
Are here.
Look at the size of this house.
That house is
Look at the
gorgeous.
size of it.
And a stage.
Look at this one.
This is Cedar Grove Avenue. This is where my friend said it got destroyed.
Look at that side. Look at this fucking house.
Really?
Look at it.
Gorgeous.
There's another part to Cedar Grove.
I know. No, the other part is. It's on the other
There's
side.
another part to Cedar Grove down that way.
I know. Down to the beach. Oh, God. I don't know if you people can see this great house, but yeah. What's the mailbox cover? Lost. I don't think
The pool is still normal. This thing can hit over here.
boats. I don't think. Yeah, they were just building it. How the?
Look at this house.
It's on the news. Whoa, this shook the east. She came down. I don't know if there's anything here. Yeah, whoa! Duck a little. Kitty! Aww. Kitties. We just saw a kitty.
Unsafe.
There's no bottom of my house.
It was lifted off the foundation, obviously.
Look at this.
Look, you have a window.
They went fishing.
I don't think they're going fishing anymore. They like fishing. Whoa. I came out of the house. I don't think that was it. Side or something came off the house? Nope, that's not even their side. Whoa, car demolished. Feet demolished. Buildings and inspectors. Restricted. I gotta get to the left. Oh, house. Garage. Ooh, that's all, folks.